Yeah, I am waiting for another candidate to come. If he comes, we can start. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Uh, Aditya, yes, please, Aditya. Yeah.
The mark allocation out of 40, what is the which subject they focus and allocate the mark, like in technical and core banking?
See, very.
How is the what is the allocation of mark in interviews?
So they would have given some 5 or 6 points over which you have to be evaluated. Number 1, appearance, presentation. Number 2, regarding clarity in communication. Number 3, technical knowledge. Number 4, say the general knowledge, general awareness. Number 5,
About banking.
about banking and other things. About banking,
Okay,
not
okay.
only banking, about India and also
About the country also.
about the country. And the last one may be say about your adaptability to people, your moods. Are you getting anger when you are not getting a particular question correctly? Are you getting anger or are you answering properly? These things will be
So
checked.
may they ask some question, they can anger us.
Yeah. They can create anger in you. They can say you have been working in IT for all these days. इधर आके आप क्या करेंगे? इधर आप कैसे हम लोग को यूज होगा? ऐसा भी टीज कर सकते हैं. Yeah.
Okay.
So Asko, you have to face properly and then answer. Okay.
Okay. This one question I asked you. तो यही question mind में था मेरे.
ना ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चंस आएगा तो आप व्हाट्सएप में भेज दो. हम आपको रिप्लाई भेज देंगे. कोई तकलीफ नहीं. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Do you have your lunch?
Yeah. Now Pranjal Sharma, you have come.
Yeah. Hi. Good
Yeah.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Pranjal Sharma, you are from which place?
Sir, I'm from Aligarh in UP.
Acha, what is your degree? And introduce yourself.
Hi, sir. I'm Pranjal Sharma. I did my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering in 2018. Sir, right now I'm working in TCS from last 3 years.
Good. Excellent. TCS in which place?
So I was posted in Bangalore, but right now from last 2 years, like work from home I'm doing.
You are only at home.
Yeah.
1 minute. Hello. What is your name? Piyush, if you can, you come. No problem. I'll be here for another 40 minutes. अच्छा. You come now? अभी आया नहीं. पीयूष आया नहीं जी. One message आया नहीं. No, you are not come. So thirdly, अभी आया है. ठीक है. Admit कर दिया. Thank you. Yeah. So I think we were talking to our friend, somebody else, Pranjal Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Pranjal Sharma, please tell me about yourself. Acha, you told me you are working in TCS, and TCS में आपको क्या काम करते हैं?
So right now I'm working in a application support and maintenance project. Earlier I was into development also, but right now I'm in the application support and maintenance.
You have applied for which post?
IT support administrator.
In what way do you think you have IT support skills? What are the skills that are required for an IT support, say, person? For IT support, for managing it as an assistant manager in IT support, what are the skills that are required and that you are possessing?
Yes, sir. So for IT support, we should have knowledge about hardware and software, and like troubleshooting any issues or or like any, I think database issues also if companies possessing that.
Mm.
So in my current company, I'm like into all of that. So I think I can be good at
Oh.
that.
What are the professional qualifications you possess?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get it.
What
you say
are the
again?
professional qualifications do you possess?
Professional qualification in the sense like I did BTech. So you are asking something related to this?
Yeah. No. There, here I find bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, information systems. Applicable professional qualifications such as Microsoft, Oracle, or Cisco certification.
No,
Maybe
sir, I applied for IT support administrator, sir. That is.
I know IT support administrators. Um, some of them possess some Oracle qualification, Cisco certification, experience, and all
Okay.
that. What is the professional experience have you acquired by working in TCS?
Yes, sir. So it's like I have worked on basically on like cloud and all of that, and develop like .NET, Python, like this,
Mhm.
.NET Core, like into that.
Acha.
SQL Server,
Mhm.
these things.
See, actually, what is your expertise relating to database, network administration, or system administration? इसका पास में आपको experience क्या है?
Yes, sir. So like I said, like I'm supporting like 12, 13 applications in which we like go check the databases every day, like running the SQL queries and updating tables. And
Mhm.
for example, I worked on cloud also, Azure, where we created virtual machines.
Mhm.
And
What are virtual machines?
virtual
What are virtual machines? Acha, I know this is
virtual server, like our computer with the cloud. Yeah.
internet problem. See, where are you? You are now in Jharkhand or something. उधर में थोड़ा बाहर में आके बात कर लीजिए ना.
Sir, I think it's not from my side. I'm using Geo Fiber. So
जियो. अच्छा. ओहो. मेरा पास कितना स्पीड है अभी देखते हैं. fast.com देखते हैं. Here maybe थोड़ा problem इधर हो सकता है because there are so many systems working in house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, mera speed is very less. 16 Mbps. I will keep open the door. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Now it is okay.
Yes, sir. When the problem occurs,
Problem is with my side only. I think because here speed is very less. 11 Mbps. Here it is supposed.
when the
I am
problem
supposed to have 1000 Mbps and normally I used to get 300 Mbps, but abhi chalta hai 23 Mbps. Pata nahi, somewhere some extra usage is there. That is the thing. Or throughout Toronto, people are using, maybe that is the reason. Yeah, for 20 Mbps, 26 Mbps is there. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
You can hear me. 26 Mbps is there. Very good. Very good. Now, what was the last question I asked? Sorry.
So you were asking about virtual machines.
हाँ, virtual machines का मतलब क्या है बताइए.
The virtual machines is like the emulation of the computer itself. Like it's a computer, but it is not with us. It's with the cloud provider provides that. It has all the functionalities of a basic computer like OS and memory storage and everything. So that is like
Oh,
it's a virtual computer on rent.
oh, good. Now, can you tell me something about cloud computing? Uska बारे में कुछ. Please tell me what all you know about cloud computing. Hello.
So, sir, cloud. Yes, sir, I
Ah.
can hear you.
Uh,
So, sir, cloud computing, it's like it provides many services.
mm,
For example, like software and
Mm.
ha- hardware also, and
Mm.
backup, identity service,
mm,
and a database service. So all
Mm.
we can get like virtually by the cloud provider. It's like we don't need to manage, we don't need our infrastructure or anything.
mhm.
Cloud provider will provide that. We just need to configure, and like we don't even need to configure also sometimes if we are using some
Mhm.
extra.
What is an
thing.
operating system?
So operating system is like a interface between hardware and the software.
Mm.
And so
What-
it's like
Hello.
yeah. So it yeah, sir.
Mm.
So it allows us to manage the computer hardwares and like to do the basic run the basic commands. Like if we press any key also, so that so
What
if
are
we
the-
give any
Can you tell
so
me
it-
the example of operating systems?
yes, for example, if we are asking many questions to CPU, like if we are giving any printer command or like or different work, then operating system will like do the process like synchronization or like process scheduling, that which process should be come first and like that.
No, you have not understood my question. I was asking names of operating systems.
Okay, names of operating system. Yeah, so we have like Windows, uh, Safari, and
Safari is a browser.
sorry, sir, Windows and yeah, we have
MS
like,
DOS, Linux.
MS-DOS, Linux. Yes, sir.
MS-DOS, Unix. These are the
Yes.
operating system. Can you tell me what are the basic functions of an operating system?
Yes, sir. So basic is like we can say process scheduling, like any command that we give
Mm.
different. So they operating system schedule the process, like which is the immediate, what is the urgent one, and like that. So
No,
this is the main.
no, your answer is not, I'm not happy. Sashi, can you answer me this question? What is the functions of operating system?
Yes, sir. Operating system is responsible for input-output functioning,
Uh,
then file management,
Mm.
memory management.
mm,
Even if some application needs to interact with hardware, then
Mm.
operating system acts as interface.
mm,
Application cannot directly access the hardware. Operating system in between
Mm.
provide the access to hardware.
Mm.
So that is called a system call.
mm.
So whenever any application requests a hardware resource, suppose a notepad application, we wrote something in notepad and now we need to save it in this memory.
Yeah, now let us see what Piyush has to say. Okay, what you said is not wrong. Piyush, can you tell me what is the functions of operating system?
Sir,
Simple
first of all,
Simple
the
question.
first of all, the OS is the basic interface, means it is the underlying layer between the user and the hardware.
Mm.
On the computer, without OS, we cannot interact with the hardware of the computer.
Mhm.
And it is used for file management and for everything, starting from file management, memory management to networking, and whatever hardware we have to interact. First, we have to give commands via UI to OS, and then OS will interact with hardware, and then the control is further directed in this
All
way.
the three of you have talked about it, and the answer is not at all complete. I am not a computer man, but still it's not fully given. The basic functions of operating system are: number one, booting the computer. Why did you not tell about this?
Yes,
all,
sir. Booting.
all the three of
Booting is
you,
the first.
all the three
Yes,
of
sir.
you never told about this. Number two, performs basic computer tasks. Example, managing the various peripheral devices like mouse, keyboard. Number three, provide this point only all of you told, provides a user interface, command line, graphical user interface. Number four, handle system resources such as computers, memory, and sharing of central processing unit time, by various applications and peripheral devices. Number 5, provides file management. This also you told. File management, which refers to the way that the operating system manipulates, stores, retrieves, and saves data. Correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
This was a very, very, very
Yes, sir.
basic, simple question, and
Yes, sir.
probably
You
It is
missed on the
most
important
important.
point, that is booting.
we have not been able to present it properly. Can you tell me what is flash memory? Hello? Who is there online? Piyush,
Yes, sir.
what is a flash memory?
Memory is a very small memory. It is a type of compact ROM, and we can 510 GB, and it can be connected to some system or transfer of files, etc.
Yeah. Here I find flash memory is an example of quite a recent type storage technology known as solid state device. This type of portable storage has become very popular because of its low price. Solid state devices are regarded as being robust and reliable because they have no moving parts with the data stored in conductor chips. This technology already exists in the form of flash memory used to store the basic input-output system, BIOS, of a motherboard. Unlike ROM, flash memory can be read from and written to, and unlike RAM, does not require power to retain its data. Although these devices typically cannot hold as much data as hard disks, CD-ROMs and DVDs, the storage capacity is continually increasing. Could you understand, Piyush? Piyush, could you follow
Yes, sir.
Sashi? This is a very basic question. What is virtual memory, Piyush?
Sir, virtual memory is main process is virtualization. Virtual memory helps in streamlining the hardware requirements and the software requirements of the company. We can use VMware, etc., so that the main CPU is and other functions are not there, but it takes all the resources from some cloud, and all memory management and other things are done through a central server, and that is called virtualization. And one central server is there, and it manages the all virtual machines connected to it.
Okay, correct. More or less, okay. Now, what do you think will be the advances or changes that would have come in computer field in the next 10 years? What are the changes do you think could have come? आज आज से 10 साल बाद में क्या क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट होने का उम्मीद है? This is a question for all the three of you. You can tell from any way you feel like.
Sir, first of all is cloud. Cloud will take more space, like everything will be on cloud, like it is all coming cloud kitchen, and every financial services is on cloud, and blockchain ledger all will be connected. Big data is also there. For that, big data is coming. That very huge amounts of memories are stored on servers, etc. And sir, this the systems will be more will be sir, systems will be more streamlined, and the size of the chips are reducing according to the, I think, Moore's law. And the risk and the usefulness of the system is increasing.
Can you
And
tell?
sir,
Yeah, tell me. Anybody else? Tell me.
yes, sir, we are also like moving towards Internet of Things, and machine learning, artificial intelligence, all of those things will come into play now.
Excellent. Good. Sashi, you have some points?
Yes, sir. And I think automation will be in huge rapid growth, sir. Like nowadays we can see, like, we have already chatbots on the various websites. Like earlier, whenever we have any query, we have some resource, customer support risk. They used to respond to our queries. Now with the technology advancement, we can see chatbot implemented on major websites, I mean major business. So that is actually a bot. So that is an automated process. So whenever we need any help, there is no requirement of a human or an individual. That can be handled by a bot. So
This
I'm
is a,
thinking that
this is a very important question. In fact, let me read out, kindly listen. What are the latest developments in computer technology? Number one, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Number two, robotic process automation. Number three, edge computing. I don't know what it is. Number four, quantum computing. Number five, virtual reality and augmented reality. Number six, blockchain. Number seven, Internet of Things. Number eight, 5G. I think you can add 6G also. Hello, this is a very, very, very important question.
Yes,
Acha,
sir.
Yes,
I am getting this by just putting a note kar lijiye, advancements in computer technology. Just search in your google.com. I am searching here in, if you have a computer, you can also search there. Are you having laptop before you, any of you?
yes, sir.
Please do that, search. Are you getting this or are you getting something else? Advancements in computer technology.
Yes, sir. Same only.
Same only. Please prepare on that. उसका नीचे में जो जो आता है वो सब important है. What are some advancement in technology? Unhackable internet, hyper personalized medicine, digital money, anti-aging drugs, artificial intelligence discovered molecules, satellite mega constellations, quantum supremacy, tiny AI. But one thing, as computer boys, all of you must try to go through what are the details about this. I can simply tell you quantum technology. What is quantum technology? What is artificial intelligence? ये सब आप लोग पढ़ने होगा. Pranjal Sharma, Sashi, and who is the other person? Piyush. Okay, could you follow?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Very, very important boy. And यहाँ पर देखते हैं what is the greatest advancement in modern technology? What is meant by emerging technology? Then likewise, what is computerized technology? What are the top 10 technologies? Same thing, machine learning, chain. One more point added, cognitive computing. I can tell this and stop, but you people must know what is cognitive computing. You must know intelligent apps बोला है, वो क्या है? Robotic process automation बोला है, वो क्या है? ये सब पढ़ लीजिए आप लोग, please.
Sure, sir.
It's very good. Then what are the 5 emerging technologies? Educational technology, information technology, nanotechnology, biotechnology, cognitive science, robotics and artificial intelligence. Same thing again and again, they are repeating in one form. So you please learn about this. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
very good. Now we will go to general questions. Piyush, what are your hobbies?
Sir, I like reading books and I like reading novels and some financial news, etc. And I like visiting places and I like learning new languages.
Languages. अच्छा. Languages का मतलब computer languages.
Sir, computer languages also and normal vernacular languages also.
What are the languages you have come to know?
Sir, I have friends from Maharashtra and this Andhra Pradesh, so I can little bit understand Marathi and Telugu.
Very good. Then when you answer like this, they can ask you, what is the book you have read recently? Which authors do you read?
Sir,
So- Yeah. Are you ready with the answer?
Sir, yes, sir. Recently, I have read this Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, the Brazilian writer.
Mhm. Good. Excellent. We'll go to Sashi. 1 minute. Hello. Hello. Aditya, tell me. Now you please send it through WhatsApp na, because I am online now. Let me complete this. Send it through WhatsApp. Yeah. Sashi, what are your hobbies?
Sir, I like to create videos. I mean, video editing and create short videos.
Super.
Also in sports, I like to enjoy swimming
Mhm.
and cricket.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Good. Have you made some short videos?
Yes, sir. I usually used to on weekends or spare time. No, I used to make short videos through some editing app. So I have made few videos.
And have you posted them in YouTube also?
Not on YouTube, sir, but on social media, Instagram, I have posted few of them. And
Ex-
for friends also, I have created few, so I have shared to them.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. What advantage do you get in making videos?
Sir, first thing, it's like it helps me in getting creative. So also it allows me to get disciplined because, sir, creating videos, no, we have to be, I mean, organized. So it will increase the workflow. If we are unorganized, then it will consume more time. So it
Excellent.
helps me in getting disciplined and creative.
Excellent. Good, good, good. Now, Pranjal Sharma, आपको बता दिया आपने? Your hobbies बोल दिया? Pranjal,
No, sir, not yet.
बोलिए, बोलिए.
So my hobbies are like playing and watching sports, and so, and I also like singing, and
Mhm.
and in free time I also do meditation sometimes.
Oh, very good. Very good. What are the advantages of doing meditation?
The first and foremost is like we develop concentration,
Mm.
and it's like we get the stability of mind
Mm.
sometimes, like if we do it properly.
Good. Excellent. How old are you, Pranjal?
So I'm 25 years old.
Very good. Excellent. Now, who is your role model, Pranjal?
So my role model is my mother and father because of their hard work and like perseverance.
Mhm. What is the qualities you would like to learn from them? Hard work and
Main-
perseverance, or is there anything else you would like to learn from them?
Is like the patience.
Mhm. थोड़ा सोच लीजिए आप लोग. All of you, you must try to prepare an answer for this role model. Who is your role model and all that? Sashi, who is your role model?
Yes. Sir, my role model is my father and one of my primary school teachers.
Mm.
So these two people I consider as my role model. So my
Yes.
father, I learned few skills from my father. That is, first thing, we should be trustworthy. We shouldn't break anyone's trust in any situation. That's
Excellent.
also we should be always hardworking. Apart from the situation,
Mm.
sometimes even we work hard, we won't get the result as expected, but we should keep working hard. And qualities that I learned from my school teacher, primary school teacher, that we should keep learning. Whatever the case, whatever the outcomes, we should never short from learning. We should keep acquiring new skills.
Excellent. Piyush, what is,
Sir,
who is your role model?
Sir, first of all, my role models are my father and mother. Sir, they are very hardworking and they have patience. And sir, my father is coming from very humble background, like we are from farming background, and my grandfather was a farmer. So he worked very hard in village and with patience. And he says that if you keep working hard, one day you will achieve success.
What is he
And
now?
sir,
What is he now?
sir, he is a general manager in sale.
You only said general manager in sale. Good. Excellent. Good. Hardworking and determination will bring you success. Good. Excellent. I think so far we have discussed sufficiently well. Do you have any questions in your mind? Number one, let me tell you whatever I want to tell you. Number one, you prepare for your degree subject, your experience, and based on the nature of questions I have been asking, and you can get some more new also. Prepare for them. Then prepare for general information about Bank of Maharashtra. And you must be able to tell number of branches, total deposits, total advances, profit, and then what are the recent schemes introduced by them, something like that. What are the things in which they have got some awards? ये सब आपको पता होना जरूरी है. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please prepare for that. And yeah, anytime this video may stop. So if you have any questions, you send it through WhatsApp and I may try to tell you something more. Bank of Maharashtra tops public sector undertaking banks in terms of loans and deposit growth. Please tell about this when you are asked to tell about it. When they ask you to tell, what do you know about Bank of Maharashtra? You can say it is given in the website. Bank of Maharashtra tops public sector undertaking banks in terms of loan and deposit growth. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go through that and prepare yourself well. It will be good. See, here there are things like know your bank, board of directors, chief vigilance officer. Who is the chief vigilance officer? Shri Lakshmi Narayan Rath. Lakshmi Narayan Rath. That's what is
Sir.
given. Yeah,
Sir, one request.
yeah.
Like when I was giving my introduction, that time meeting got disconnected. So I would
Yeah.
like to give it again, and you just give me the feedback on this one.
Please tell, please tell.
Sir, so I'll start.
Please
Good
tell.
evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes. Good evening, sir. My name is Shashi Kumar.
Hmm.
I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I
Hmm.
did my BTech in Electronics and Communication.
Hmm.
Currently, I'm working as software engineer.
Software engineer.
Attend all the IT.
I think there is some
Sir, your voice is breaking.
network communication problem. Network communication problem. 1 minute. Sashi, I think it is better to talk over. Yeah, I will call you. You answer through phone. That is better because I am calling you. Sashi, I am calling you.
Yes, sir. I can.
Yeah. Acha, are you, please speak out. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, Sashi, tell.
Yeah. Okay.
And now I think it is coming correctly here itself. Speak. Sashi. Speak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Speak. Hello. Hello, Sashi. Piyush, are you able to hear me? Piyush, are you able to hear me? 6 minutes only time there. Piyush, Sashi.
Hello.
Yeah, Sashi, tell me.
Yes, sir. I'm audible now.
Yeah.
So I'll start again. Good evening, sir. My name is Shashi Kumar. I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I did my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Currently, I'm working as a software engineer in Capgemini Services Technology India Limited. I'm assigned to L3 team, L3 support team. So basically, our task is to attend all the IT-related issues reported by the user, then analyze and troubleshoot that particular issue. Sometimes issue we get regarding server access issue or network issue. So basically, we attend all the IT-related issues and respond to that. Also, we have to go to client calls if there is some new project, a new activity, we have to share our feedback, we have to put our response, we have to give our thoughts on that, discuss and come up with a plan, and we have to schedule those tasks. So currently I'm love my role, but actually I think I'm now ready to move to new challenge. So that's why I found this SOIT opportunity and found it interesting. So
Very good. Very good. You told correctly, nicely. Now, this question is applicable to all the three of you. Prepare for your answers. You don't have to tell me the answer. Number one, what are the difficult situations you have faced in your work spot? What are the problems you have sorted out? Very high problem, difficult problem. इसका बारे में prepare कर दीजिए. How do you make yourself a good member of a team in order to say in the matter of discharge of duties? What type of stress do you get when you are working in a team of your organization? How do you get over this? These are simple questions which they can ask anybody, and you be preparing for these things. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. I think we have discussed sufficiently well, Pranjal, Shashi, and Piyush. I think almost all of you are having interview on 17th, na? Anybody?
yes,
Has,
sir.
yeah, 17,
yes, sir.
18. Yeah, please attend that, and whatever questions they are asking, please post in our Telegram page. These are the questions they asked. How long did the interview take place? 10 minutes, 15 minutes. How many members were there in the interview board? If these things, kindly tell and post the questions. That will be of help for others also.
Sure, sir.
Thank you
Sir,
so much. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, do we need to provide our native place information while introducing ourselves, like from where we are?
No. Where are you now?
I'm in Ranchi.
Ranchi. What is your native place?
That is, Ranchi is also only my native place.
No, but Ranchi bata dijiye bas. There is no need for telling this is my, I am from Ranchi.
No,
Bata
sir,
dijiye.
I'm just asking, like, we have to say that I'm from Ranchi, or if we can skip on that part.
No, I am a native of Ranchi. बोलने का जरूरत नहीं. I come from Ranchi. ऐसा बता दीजिए. Then they will ask questions relating Ranchi. Ranchi is famous for what? What is the main profession of people in that place? What are the industries available in that place? Who are the important people living in that place? Who is an MLA? Who is MP of your place? Any minister from your state in the union government? Some such questions. Very simple questions they can ask. Okay.
So I want to know like one thing, like if you have any personal inputs for me, like like what I need to improve on.
Pranjal, all the three of you have been communicating nicely because you are all working. You are all working in some company. So you are all having good communication capacity. Absolutely no problem. So you can go with confidence. Confidence is what is more important. जरूर आपको सक्सेस हो जाना चाहिए. Go with confidence. समझ गया?
Sure, thank you, sir.
Yeah, I
Yes, sir.
enjoy.
Thank
I
you, sir.
enjoy talking to all of you. Thank you so much. If this comes to an end in the next 2 minutes, this will be the last Zoom session for the day. Best wishes. I wish all of you best wishes. If still you have some doubt, you can raise it in WhatsApp. I will reply that through posting in our Telegram also, and also to you. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, or if you have some doubt, you can post it in our Telegram group itself, so that other interviewees can answer. Okay. But
Yes, sir.
the latest one regarding advancement, etc., I have not covered in other interviews. I have covered here only, and that is a very, very important area. Please prepare on that. The link I told you in Google. Okay.
Okay,
Sure.
sir.
Best
Okay, sir.
wishes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. We will close it
Bye.
ourselves. Instead of it closing automatically, हम लोग close कर देंगे. I wish all of you best of luck. Thank you.
Sir, 1 second.
Yeah.
Sir, tomorrow same time this.
Tomorrow
session
8:40 I will come. Indian Standard Time 8:30 I will come. If some of you come, I will talk to you. No problem. There can be some new people also, or old people, no extra charges. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.